Okay, guys, I got this four-piece chicken dinner at Pizza King uh, by Goddard Road in Lincoln Park, Michigan, and 4th Street. I'm wondering what the damn holes are in the container here. Let's see here what's going on. Hold on a minute, folks. Trying to open this. Oh, looks good. Oh, whatever. So you get a biscuit, get some fries, 4 pieces of chicken, and only $12 and a little bit of change. I'm still trying to figure out what the holes are in it for. Maybe to let some air out because they took it out the fryer. I'm assuming so it ain't full of smoke. That's what I'm hoping it is. I have no rat holes. Whatever, man. I'm so hungry I eat the motherfucker if it is rat holes. What you think? Well, there it is. Anyway, folks. So I'll get back with y'all comments later. I got to grub, man. Been a long day. Oh, Friday, baby.